Here we've got OnePlus Nord to 5G, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this device, on this phone. So it's super quick and easy operation. You've got two methods. The first one is to open your phone dialer and provide a secret code, which is *##06#. And as you can see, both IMEI numbers are right in front of you. So let's go back, click on OK to close it. And now you can open those IMEI numbers along with serial number via settings. To do it, just reach settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. And here at the status icon, you will be able to check both IMEI numbers and also serial number right here. So this is it. This is how you can check identification numbers assigned to your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.